All right, hello everybody. Time for another decision. I keep messing this up. Decision Space Jam game review. Um, for those unaware, Decision Space is a podcast about board games, and I help organize the game jam. Roll and write, roll 2d6 has to be played soloable. More info in the show notes. Yeah, so here in this video, I will read the rules of the game, and then play the game. I'm aim to play one round of the game. We'll see how it goes based on how long it takes me. This doesn't look like a very heavy game, so I should be able to get a full round in. Uh, let's get right to it. This is Shoot by Scott Ninmer. Ages 8 and up. 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is good. Take about 10 minutes to read the rules, 10 minutes to play. I like that. Each round, the dice are rolled 2d6, each numbered 1 to 6, and players add one of the two numbers shown on the dice to a beveled, and players add one of the two numbers shown on the dice to a beveled 9x9 grid of cells, each with a box in its upper right corner. Okay, there's a box in each corner. This is the board. This is the bevel. These are the bevels, 9x9, and there's a box in the top right. Okay. Players will earn points at the end of the game for the largest group of each number and will lose points for their unused slots. The game is played over 46 rounds. That's a lot of dice rolls. Or until all players have busted, whichever comes first. Determine a start player randomly and give them the dice. At the start of each round, the player holding the dice rolls them. All players then use the numbers shown on the dice to do one of the following. If there is an occupied cell in your grid with an empty box, this is considered your shooting cell. What now? If there's an occupied cell in your grid with an empty box. Okay, so there's kind of a way to mark where you're currently at, like track where your location. For the round for which you will shoot a die, choose one of the two numbers shown on the die, and write it in an empty cell in your grid. This cell must be a number of cells distant from the shooting cell equal to the number of the unchosen dice. The distance may be either orthogonal or diagonal. Okay, so suppose I have a number here, and I roll a 3 or a 3, 3, 3. I need to go 1, 2, 3, and then write 3. After writing the new number, mark an X in the shooting cell box in the shots section. After writing the new number, mark an X in the shooting cells box. In the shots section, locate the column corresponding to the number shown on the unchosen die and mark an X in the topmost empty box in that column. In the shots section, locate the column corresponding to the die on the unchosen die. Mark an X in the topmost empty box in the column. Okay. Okay. So the number that I draw is going to be on the board, and the number that I don't draw is going to be both my distance and being tracked here. If you have placed an X in the bottommost box of a column in the shot section, you have busted and your game is over. Okay, if I go all the way to the bottom, my game is over. If there is no occupied cell in your grid with an empty box, choose one of the two numbers shown on the dice and write it in the empty cell in your grid. This occurs in the first round and only round immediately after you have used the strike. Note, you do not fill in a box or in the short section in this case. If you cannot do or do not wish to place one of the two numbers, mark an X in the an empty box. If you do not wish to place one of the two numbers, mark an X in an empty box in the pass section. Okay, two passes. If there is one available, then marks an X in the shooting cells box. Note, since there will no longer be an occupied cell on the grid with an empty box, in the following round, a number may be placed anywhere on the grid as in the first round. If you cannot place one of the two numbers and there is no empty box in the pass section, you have busted and your game is over. If all players have busted, proceed to the final scoring. Otherwise, pass the dice clockwise. Next player who hasn't busted and proceed to the next round. Final scoring. For each number, determine the largest. This is annoying. For each number, determine the largest orthogonally adjacent group of numbers in your grid and write this group's size in the empty box of the corresponding row on the score sheet. Okay. Then sum the value still showing in the shots section and write this in the empty box of the shots. Okay, so the topmost one showing here will be the value here. Multiply each group's number by its largest group size and write this product in the top rightmost box of the corresponding row. Sum these products together with the number in the shots row, which should be negative to the total score. The player with the most points is the winner. Okay. Very straightforward, I think. Let's roll some dice. 3-3. I get to start anywhere I want. Where do I want to start? Where do I want to start? I think like the side. Let's start here. All right. Okay, I put the 3 here, and that's it. That's all I do on the first round. Or do they do the shots anyway without unmarked boss? If there's no occupancy in the grid and empty box, choose one of the two numbers shown on the dice in the slide to enter. This occurs in the first round immediately. Note, you do not fill in a box of shots in the section in this case. Okay, so I just put the 3 there. Let's go. 2-3. Okay, so now I need to move 2 and write a 3, or both 3 and write a 2. I think I would go 1-2 and write a 3 over here. And now I went a shot 2. Alright. 3-1. Okay, that's perfect. I get to put the 3 here and a 1. Another 3-1. Okay, this is going well. 3-6. Okay, I'm gonna start working on 6s. Oh, I forgot to do mark these shots places, and now this is my shot. And I'm going 3 somewhere, and then writing a 6. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna write my 6 over here. One, 3. I guess I'm gonna just stick a 1 somewhere. A 1, 2, 3. I put it over here, and I mark a 3. Roll. 6-4. One, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put a 6 over here. That's close enough to the other 6. I think. I hope. 6, 6. 6, 6 is very hard. I 1, 2. Can I just stick it over here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess I'll do that. I don't want to use my pass yet. 3, 2. So I'm over here. I can go 1, 2 and write another 3. I haven't done this consistently, but it's pretty easy to remember my last spot, so that's not really necessary. Okay, so this is 3, and I mark a 2 over here. 5, 2. 5, 2. Where am I gonna go with that? 1, 2, 4, 3, 4. I can't go that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't go that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can put a 2 here. Or I can go 2 in some direction and put a 5 somewhere here. I don't like it. I'm gonna just stick a 2 over here. Another 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put a 5 like here. And I went 2, so I need to mark this off. 6, 6 again. I was here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's perfect. Five, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can put a 2 here. I can put a 5 here. I'll go for a 5 here. No, I don't like that. I'm gonna stick a 2 here and use my 5. 3, 4. I am here. 1, 2, 3. So I can put a 4 here. 2, 3. 3 here. 2, 3, 4. I can put a 3 here. That's good. And I went 4. Alright. 3, 2. Damn it. That doesn't work. Oh, I can put a 3 here. Two, 3. Well, that's annoying. I guess I put a 2 here. 6, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's do that. All right. 4, 1. I'm gonna put my 4 over here. 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if I've tracked these correctly. I now have 18. How many numbers do I have on the board? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, that works. 2, 3. I can put it here. And I went 2. I'm running out of 2s. 6, 1. I don't like that. I think I'm gonna use my pass. And put my 6 over here. No, is that how it works? Mark an X in an empty pass if there is one available. Then marks an X in the shooting cells box. In the shooting cells box. Okay, yeah, that's to move the. If you cannot place one of the two numbers and there is no empty box in the pass section, you have busted. No, okay, so this doesn't let me place it somewhere else, so I don't want to pass. I'm going 3, 4, 5, 6. No, put a 1 here. All right, roll. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. This is a weird game. A lot of walls. 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2. I don't know how I feel about this game. It's a bit repetitive. Four, 3. 1, 2, 3. Damn it. 1, 2, 3. 4, 1. Woohoo! 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 1. I guess I'll make another one of these. 3 4s. 3, 3. Woohoo! 2-2. You know what? I think this is the time to use the pass. 2-4. I'll put this 4 over here. No. Gonna put this 4 over here. Two, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. I'm gonna put a 5 here. 4, 4. 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, jackpot. 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So I have to use the 2. I'm gonna pass. 4, 2. I'm gonna put this 4 over here. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Everything is blocked. So I'm done. Okay. Groups of 1. I think I have none. This is not. Nope. Nope. Nothing. Groups of 2. Nope. Nope. That's 2. Nope. Okay, so that's 4 points. Groups of 3. I have this nice big one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. That's 27. Groups of 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 24. Oops. Groups of 5. I have these. And groups of 6s. That's 2. Oh wait, that can't be a 0. It's a 1. Not that 1 point is gonna matter much, but just and that's 2. That's 12, and shorts, -2, -1, -1, that's 4, 9, 11. So that's 1, 16, 40, 67, 67, 72. 72 is considered impressive. Woohoo! Okay, there were some cool moments here when I got like exactly what I needed. But I feel like this is missing some combos, follow-ups, something like special squares on the board where if you land on them, you can place another number, or because you're not following like a real set number of rounds in this. That's one of the constraints of the game jam. You're not following the real set number of rounds. You're gonna bust early in like 99% of the cases. So might as well go wild with the additional rolls and something like that. Like bonus rolls, number of notifications. I wanna feel like I'm aiming for something, and I can combo it with something else. Like I think that's gonna really give this game like a little bit more oomph. I think the base rules are interesting enough for this to be worth exploring, but right now, as it is, this is not a fun enough game. Like at some point during the game, I was like, I just wanted this to end, but the shots thing makes kind of forces you to keep on going because every additional shot you get an additional point, basically. Um, so yeah, I kind of wanted it to end. I want something to give me extra momentum. Uh, I hit a bunch of stuff in the same time. Uh, Doubles are also kind of disappointing in this game because they kind of force you to place a specific number at a specific distance. So giving some kind of bonus if you roll a double, like a free pass or something like that, that could give this game a bit more, make this game a bit more dynamic. Overall, I think this is worth exploring, but just like how it is right now, it's not fun to play. So yeah, thank you very much for Scott Ninmer for making this game and letting me play it, and thank you for watching and listening. Um, and see you in the next one.